What's up, guys? We're gonna be showing you one of the best Nerf guns I have. So I got the first one. And turn on. The first one is a laser gun. So you can just. If this thing was a real gun, I know it would be extremely powerful. Because look. The guns that have those, they have more battery, and then, so, if this was a real gun, it would be a very powerful gun. Next, the Model X pistol. This thing is actually pretty good. Like, it's so strong that it literally moves. Like, I'm not trying to do that. And actually, first of all, this thing is pretty good. It holds 2 bullets if you have a bullet in here. So so if you run out 1 bullet, you get 2 more. It's like 2 bullets. Next, all right, this one, the sniper. Wait, hold up, sniper. And you know what's cool? You can also put 2 bullets in here. So if you have a bullet in here, and you can put 2 bullets in here. And fun part about this, you can actually put 2 bullets in this. So, sniper. We have another laser gun. Laser gun. Alright, this laser gun is actually extremely powerful. You know why? Dun, dun, dun. Battery. Yeah. It wouldn't be extremely powerful. It's not that powerful. But if it was a real thing, though, if it was a real gun, it would probably be way powerful than this laser gun. So, this laser gun is so powerful if it was a real. Next. We got the fart guns. You might be wondering, what does this do? First, you just spray it at someone's face, and then they're going to be like, oh, that smells so nice. Ugh. And they're going to die from the smellness, because they're not going to breathe air. They're going to breathe that smelly fart. Last one, the Model X. The Model X. This thing is actually pretty powerful. Like, look what it does. It goes up, kind of, but it goes like... But, yeah. Yeah, okay. So, I'm going to pick the strongest one. Okay, you know what? This is probably good. This is probably the strongest one, if it was real. So, yeah, bye guys.